Look at what we have here. Oh. Say hi, Rach. Hey. First real blizzard. Hey, I think we can honestly say we're gonna have a white Christmas.
Yep. Look at this. You can't even see.
You can't even see the sidewalk. All you can see are people's footsteps.
You know, they said that the sidewalk was heated.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking that. Look, everything is covered.
You want to go ride your bike?
Yeah, no, I don't. Me, I'm all bundled up. I need some wood to look on, or wood to knock on, because you know what? It's not that breezy. You know that?
Yes.
Sorry, I'm like hitting cars all covered. Eating snow. Snowflakes, I should say. Oh. You doing okay, Rachel?